and different? Yes, school is starting up. This school year might be a little bit different than some of the old school years, but that's okay. It's going to be a great year anyways. Most of you will get to stay home and do school at your house. We are doing a back to school story time to go for this week, and you are going to get to make a pencil box. So with the library, you get to make your pencil box. Oh, wait a minute. Who's missing? Who is not ready for school? You got it. It's Otis. Now, Otis, he's always grumpy. But should we wake him up and have him get ready for school? Yes. All right. Do you remember there's one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis? And we have to say, 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. You think you can do it? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! Otis, wake up. I don't want to. Otis, no, it's very important. You need to wake up. Why? Why should I wake up? Why? I was sleeping. Otis, yeah. It's a very important day. It is? Yes. What's so important? Because we are getting ready for story time. Yeah. To go back to school. School? Oh! What is school? What's that? School is where you learn stuff. Learn stuff? You mean how to, I don't know what that means. Otis, oh, maybe you need to get ready to go to school. Yeah, what do you need to get ready to go to school? Well, you might need a computer. Oh, yeah, I like those. And you might need some books. Oh, yeah, those are good too. I like those. And you might need some pens and pencils. Oh, yeah. I really love pens and pencils. You do? Yeah. Why do you love pens and pencils? Because they taste so delicious. Just like that. No, Otis. We're not going to eat those. We're not. No. In fact, to get ready for school, we are going to make, pencil boxes. Oh, yeah. So then I can just eat out of them like this, like a bowl. No, Otis. You don't put pencils in a pencil box so you can eat out of it. No. Well, what do you do with it? You put pencils in a pencil box so you can have them ready when you have to do your homework. Homework? No! Who does homework? Otis, kids who are going back to school do homework. Oh, yeah. And you know what, Otis? I think I might make you do some homework. No homework for Otis. No. Yes, Otis. Oh. And I'm going to need you to stay awake and help me make this pencil box. Okay. Now, Otis, do you promise you're going to stay awake? Yeah. I'll stay awake. Really? Yeah. Because I'm going to need your help. Yeah. I always stay awake. Okay. Let's put Otis, I'm going to need your help. So you're going to stay right here. You're going to help me out. Yeah. And, oh, man. Otis didn't even stay awake to help me make the pencil box. That's okay. We'll go ahead and make it without him. All right, are we ready to make our craft without Otis? All right, so when you come to the library, instead of a bag, you're gonna get a box this time. And inside this box, you're gonna get all of these goodies. And that is so that you can make your pencil box. So the very first thing you're gonna need to do is you have 2 green pieces of paper. This is so you can cover it. Do you know why we have green? Yes, because those are the colors of DeSoto. Now, not all of you will go to DeSoto, but many of you might go to DeSoto, so we picked a green. Now, these are a little bit thick, so Miss Janelle's gonna cut to make them a little bit skinnier, and that will help you when you're taping and you're gluing on your green paper onto the box. So this little strip, we don't need it. We're just gonna leave it right there. Miss Janelle will clean it up later. Maybe I'll have Otis clean it up. And when you get your box, the first thing is we can take the top off because it's gonna get in our way. And we're gonna use our favorite glue dots to stick in the middle. And that's where we're gonna start with our paper. A side that didn't get covered. So do you remember that we had 2 pieces of green paper? So we're going to take the other one and we are going to wrap it around. Get to design your pencil box however you would like. So I have some yellow strips of paper and I'm going to put my glue on here. With my yellow strip of paper because the color for DeSoto is yellow and green. And then I even have a little DeSoto logo, so you can be a proud eagle. But if you go to a different school, that's okay. You can put your own logo, or you can still put the DeSoto logo, whichever you like. And I'm gonna use my glue stick to decorate here. Janelle has made a very beautiful pencil box. And when you're finished, you just snap your lid right back on. And you are ready to put all of your pencils and your crayons and your glue sticks and your scissors and your stickers and paper into your pencil box. What do you think? How does that look? Does that look good? Yeah. Who should we show our new pencil box to? Yes. Should we wake him up? Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis. Oh, yeah. I'm ready. We're gonna make a pencil box. Let's go. Wait a minute. Wait. Did you do it without me? Otis, yeah. You fell asleep. I did. Yes, so we made the pencil box without you. Oh, I wanted to make a pencil box so I can go to school. Well, Otis, that's okay. You can make another pencil box. You just gotta come by the library and remember to pick up your kit so you can make a pencil box along with all of our friends with story time to go. Oh, yeah. Okay. And then it's gonna be time to go to school. Oh, I'm gonna be so sad because after story time, when school starts, we won't have story time anymore. No, Otis, that's not true at all. It's not. No, because even when school starts, we will still be doing story time to go all year long. Oh, that's great news, that's great news. Yes, so don't forget, all year you can pick up your crafts and your story times to go and watch his videos with Otis and I. Yeah, that sounds good, that sounds good. Okay, can you say goodbye to our friends? Goodbye.